Welcome to another edition of Survey Brik tutorials by Softbrik. Today we are going to learn how to build a set of prioritization questions for your survey audience. Imagine that you have a list of options that you want your audience to rank. Softbrik has a very easy element to do that ranking. How? We are going to learn now. As usual, go inside the Survey Brik. Let us again choose a sample survey. Let's go to the builder and press add element. You will find that there is an order item element here. Let's ask a question. Rank the following for an ice cream. So we want to know maybe why people like a particular ice cream, and then there are 4 variables: taste, price, packaging, availability. So let these 4 conditions be there. We want to know their ranking, which element is the most important to them. We press preview. As usual, it's an unpublished survey. So maybe taste is the most important thing, price not that much, it's 3, packaging is 2, and availability is 4. So that way you have got your audience's stack ranking for this particular question. Now imagine that by mistake I press both 1. Immediately an error message will be shown saying that you have a duplicate value. So that way audiences don't need to give the same value repeatedly. Stack rankings are a very good way to understand key issues that an audience think is the most important for your product. What you may be thinking as key issue may be very different from what they perceive. And this is a very good way of teasing it out from the survey. We hope that you enjoyed this short tutorial. Keep watching survey tutorials on Softbrik.